Welcome to our tutorial. In this video, we'll delve into the various data types available in Python and how they're used in programming. Data types form the building blocks of any programming language, and Python offers a rich variety of them. Let's start by understanding what data types are. In Python, a data type is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable can hold. Python is known for its flexibility in handling different types of data, from simple numbers and text to more complex structures. Python supports various fundamental data types. Some common ones include integers and floats, used for numeric values, integers for whole numbers, and floats for decimal numbers. Strings, used to represent text, enclosed in single or double quotes. Lists, ordered collection of items, denoted by square brackets. Tuples, similar to lists, but immutable, denoted by parentheses. Dictionaries, key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Understanding data types is crucial as it affects how we manipulate and work with data in Python. Type conversion. Python allows conversion between different data types using functions like int, str, float, etc. Manipulating data. Performing operations like concatenation on strings, indexing and slicing on lists, accessing dictionary values, etc. Python's strict typing system might lead to errors when performing operations on incompatible data types. Data types play a vital role in programming as they determine how data is stored, manipulated, and used. Memory allocation. Different data types consume different amounts of memory. Program efficiency. Choosing the right data type can impact program efficiency and execution speed. Data integrity. Using appropriate data types ensures data accuracy and integrity in programs. To wrap up, here are some best practices when working with data types in Python. Choose appropriate types. Select the most suitable data type for your specific data. Type checking. Be mindful of the data types being used to avoid errors. Documentation. Document the data types used in your code for better understanding. Understanding data types is fundamental in Python programming. Experiment with different types to become proficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Coder Squad. Happy coding!